Hey guys, it's Ann here, and this is just going to be a short little video on my YouTube journey so far. I wanted to do this partly for myself. I wanted to sort of capture how I'm feeling right now, what's going on, and just to give a bit of a, inside background, behind the scenes look for other people that are interested. If you have your own channel, if you're thinking of starting a channel, I can share what my experience has been like. So I'm about 10 videos in, and I think I have 26 subscribers now. I was so excited when I passed the 25 people mark. I know that's so lame for some people, but one thing I do want to mention though is when I started this, I said to a few friends that I don't care if I have one person watching my video. If I'm connecting with one person, then I feel like I've done something good. As I mentioned, I think in my About Me, some of my videos are a little self-serving. I want to find out things that work for me. I want to find out what good products are out there. But I feel like it's useful if I'm going to do this, I might as well share it, and maybe I can help somebody else. But I do want to say that, it's reaffirming when you have people watching your video, and I get super excited when I see comments. I know I'm going to get some bad comments, so I'm not too excited about that. But for right now, comments have been positive, and that means a lot to me. It means a lot to me, too, that my close friends and family have supported me. I know some of them, like the YouTube beauty community, that it's so far from their realm, but they've been encouraging and positive, and I really appreciate that. I know that there's some friends of mine, probably people that that I know that think this is stupid, think that why the heck is she doing that? I mean, I am not a beauty guru. I am not a makeup artist. I am clearly not a model until they start getting models that are under 5 feet tall. Like, I'm not, I think a lot of the videos that we watch, you watch people because they're beautiful, and I know that I'm not, a supermodel. I know that I'm not stupid, but I hope that because I'm an ordinary person that's imperfect, that's relatable to people. That things that I'm doing or things that I'm reviewing is real. So one thing I want to talk about is the sort of emotions of creating the videos. I liken it to, I hope this isn't copyrighted, but I think it's the Gardner hype cycle. If any business people are out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. You kind of go through this like enlightenment, and then that was where I was like January when I started. And now I'm in the trough of disillusion. I'm way down here somewhere. Because it's been hard. It's been frustrating. I've had some challenges along the way. One of the things that's difficult for me is promoting. I've seen a few other people talk about this, and just commenting on someone else's video. They're not going to know that you have a channel. They're not going to know to go check you out. So you have to say, "Oh, hey, check mine out," which I'm a little uncomfortable doing. And I think because I'm uncomfortable when I see other people like, check out my channel, like with no, comment on your video, or like it's just very salesy without any sort of connection. I've already come across a few good channels on YouTube right now that I feel like, yay, smaller channels that I feel a bit more connected to and I can relate to. So I'm excited to come across a few more. So I've had a lot of filming challenges, and some of it's because I'm new to this. I've never filmed before. I've never done audio and editing or any of that stuff. I mean, I've done similar things here and there, so the learning curve for me has not been too hard, but it's more just frustrating. So when I started, I was filming with my iPhone, which actually worked pretty well, and most people were pretty surprised when I said that I filmed with my iPhone. The quality of the video is really good, but there was two main things that were a major problem. One of the things was getting the video off my phone and onto my computer. Oh my god, it was like, just, you're in the phone, get into the computer. Like, I'm pretty tech savvy-ish, I'm not bad, but it was the most frustrating experience of my life. What I ended up having to do was upload the file to Dropbox and then download it to my computer, which took forever. So it was taking me a long time to make videos because it took forever to film that, it took forever to copy it up to Dropbox, and then forever to bring it back down again. So that was a bit frustrating. The other thing that was frustrating was I found the iPhone, and again, I'm not super experienced with this, so perhaps there's ways to edit and figure this out. I just lost my patience with it. Is the iPhone, I think it's trying to always white balance. So what I was finding with my videos, and you'll see this with my other videos, that they go sort of warmer toned and then cooler toned and then back to warmer tone. And it'd be a day like today where it's cloudy, there's no sun, the light is not really changing. But I think because like when I was moving or doing things, it was trying to auto white balance. Again, there's probably settings that I could figure out how to change that. And the other thing with that though too was I was noticing, so when I did the 2 pink eyeshadow tutorial videos, I think because my makeup brush handles are white, it was really interfering with that because I was getting a lot of weird flickering, but only at certain points during that video, which was kind of annoying. And I noticed it happened more frequently when I was using the brushes. So I had to do a lot of editing to try and get rid of those flickers, and like literally it's a frame by frame edit. Ugh, it was painful. And I still didn't get rid of all of it because it was annoying. It was a lot of work. And so the other thing too is I can't see myself when I film on the iPhone. So that's a bit difficult because you kind of have to set it up, do a quick test, walk around, do a quick test. Now, challenge number 2. Oh, and I forgot to mention too, when I was trying to copy videos, the first time I did try and copy a video over to my computer, I corrupted the file. I was so heartbroken. I just filmed the video and I corrupted the file. And I felt like there was little things like that all the time that I could have just taken it as a sign to not do this. Like, this is somebody out there telling you this is stupid, don't do it. But I obviously kept going. So I do now have a Canon. I bought the Canon T6i. So I did a bit of research on what other people were using, and there's sort of a camp of people that were using that. They had the T5 because they only did their videos on what they were using a few years ago, so I can only tell they had the T5i. Perhaps they've upgraded since then, I don't know. And then there's a bunch of people that have the Canon 70D, which is the fancier version. Because I'm new at this, I really didn't want to go splurge that far. But again, problems have abounded. I ordered it and waited patiently. Amazon Prime is ruining me. I'm so used to ordering something and getting it within a few days. And in general, I usually do because I live in the city, so things usually get to me faster. Well, it took a week to get the camera, which was fine. But then when I got it, it's got the wrong lens. And I'm really frustrated with Best Buy right now. I've reported the issue, and it gets submitted to this escalation fulfillment queue, I guess, and they're going to get back to me by email in 5 to 7 days. I'm like, so how is you emailing me going to fix this? I need the right lens. So the lens that I'm using right now, because I'm waiting, I'm still going to use the lens I have it, goes, I think, with the T6, and it doesn't have the STM, and so the zoom, and that is not, the autofocus and the zoom is not as good as the lens that comes with the T6i by default, which is an IS STM lens, which is way better for video. And I'm just annoyed because I didn't get what I paid for. I paid for X is showing on the box, and I got Y. It's like ordering a bacon cheeseburger and getting a hamburger. And they're like, well, it's kind of like the same thing. And you're like, no, I really just want the cheese and the bacon. That's kind of like the crowning achievement and why I got that one instead of the hamburger. Again, if I wanted the cheaper model, I would have gone with the T6. But I did want to go with the T6i just for that better visual. Hey guys, it's future Anne here.
interloping onto my own video. I just got back from Best Buy in the city here, and yay, new lens. It's been about a week since I filmed that video, and I just want to say that I went into Best Buy and yay, new lens. So I'm in such a good mood and super happy. The people in store were so much more helpful than the guy from the customer service. Just want to explain a little bit as to why that's important. So, for example, I'll try and do a little bit of a zoom here, and then I'll insert a little clip if I have it. Wolfie's walking around here. I'll insert a little clip if I have it from the old lens, and you'll hear the difference. Low enough. What? Alright. And focus on my face. Yay! See how much better that is. Focused on my face pretty good. And then let's focus on this. Stop trying to focus on me. Focus on this. That's all with the onboard camera. You can't even hear it focusing. Anyway, back to old me.
Anyway, sorry, I got a little riled up. Glad I didn't actually swear. Apologies in advance when I get riled up, I do swear. But, so hopefully that will get fixed soon, but that may interfere with some of my filming. So what I'm trying to do now is film a bunch of videos. So I apologize if a lot of my filming looks really similar over the next few days. And that's the other thing too, is I'm still figuring out my setup. I live in a very small space. I do have the ring light. I know I should buy more lighting, but more lighting means I have to set up more lighting, and then I have to tear down more lighting. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm making do with what I have right now, and I prefer to film on the weekends or when I have daylight anyway. So, we'll see. And I'm still figuring out audio too. Audio is a bit of a challenge for me. I want it to sound good. I hate the sound of my voice. So, and the program I'm using right now is called Filmora. I tried a demo of it, and I tried a couple demos at the same time, and I found Filmora for me, because I don't have a Mac. So I'm not going to use Final Cut Pro or whatever it is. I just have the PC. So anyway, I found it was something that I picked up pretty easily. I tried a few other things, and Filmora was very intuitive for me to use. I have used similar kinds of programs in the past, so again, I think that's where it just resonated with me. So I purchased it, but they have like a background noise filter, but when I use that, I sound like a robot. So I've been having to try and tweak that. When I did the video with the voiceover, that's why the first one was so bad, because I couldn't, and I didn't have a good microphone either. So I actually have bought a small mic, not an expensive one, but I bought a new mic, so that's helping. And I have used, for the second video that I did, I used, I want to say it's Audacity for the audio, and the background filter for that and audio, like, that was way better. It didn't distort my voice so much, because my voice is so high pitched. Yeah, it's very easy for it to get distorted with the background filter remover. I mean, part of me is still feeling like awkward. This is not me to be filming and putting myself out there. And I do have moments of thinking, what the fuck am I doing? But at the same time, like with all of these challenges that I've been having with editing and equipment and whatnot, I'm really enjoying this. Like I'm loving filming. I'm loving putting the videos together. And I feel like I'm producing something. I'm creating something. I feel, yeah, it's very fulfilling, I guess, to do this. So I'm going to keep doing it. At least, like I said, I'm going to do this for this year. And we'll see from there where things go. And yeah, so that's my little YouTube update, or YouTube channel update, or how things are going. Just want to give you a little insight of where my head's at and how I'm feeling right now. And like I said, I'm filming a bunch of videos right now. If you do want to see more videos from me in the future, please subscribe. And if you like this video, give it the little thumbs up down below. And I just want to say thank you for taking the time to check out my channel, to watch my video, to spend a bit of time with me. It means the world to me. So anyway, hopefully I will see you next time. Bye.